Hello guys, it's been a while since I posted a video and finally purchased something, so I wanted to share with you. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing on Nest Smart Thermostat. Um, this was just delivered and the packaging is pretty nice. So let's see what's inside now. Let's cut this box. The tape. Nice packaging, by the way. There was a little tab here. Bingo. Oh, that's nice. Little plastic cap on the top. That's a nice presentation. There's your Nest. And I believe, what is that supposed to be? Don't know how to open. Alright, so that's the thermostat right there. We're gonna see what's inside, what it comes with. There's you have a manual, I think. Manual. Nice screwdriver, very fancy. Not bad. Comes with 2 screws plus, and you have the board that will go on the wall. Totally didn't expect that. There's a plate, there's extra screws for mounting the plates. They pretty much send you everything that you need to get this going. If you want to get fancy, you buy a different plate, but this is it. Alright, that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video was helpful. Alright, thank you.